RIME stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Algorithm holding stock sitting at 16 cents, 27% down. This is exactly how it looks like for me. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars in course symmetries, but like just observing RIME, it's not like I wasn't expecting this bearish side, you know, because if you watch my previous videos, I mentioned how we're in a supply zone. It really depends like what we do next in order for me to determine my direction. And I mentioned that I want to see a double break, saw the first break. Double break might like it's gonna happen from here on. So my bias is just to be realistic. There's just no way that I'll trade this, but like bias wise, it's just a bearish market for me, you know. So this is why this is, I'll just still keep it on the chart. So it's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. So goodbye and enjoy. See you.